Welcome to Beauty School. I'm your host, John B. Taylor II, StylistJohn. And you just graduated school, you got your education, you got some skills, and you need to work on getting you some clients. I know what it's like. I've been there before. I know what it's like when you got out of school, you're working in the shop, you're paying your booth friend at your booth, and where are the clients? You got to go get them. You have to go get your clients. Now, some clients are going to be attracted to you, but there's some clients you're going to have to go get. I've always been a go-getter. I used to work for a marketing company where they dropped us off in the neighborhood and we had to go door to door selling books. So I learned how to talk to people. And in that process of learning how to talk to people, I came up with a system that's going to help you get clients, be marketable, and also help build up your database so that way you can stay a booked and busy stylist. So I give you the Booked and Busy Stylist ebook. Click the link below. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about what you're going to get when you get the ebook. You're going to learn, number one, how to master your style. Okay, you're going to become a master. You're going to learn how to have good customer service, and you're going to learn how to master what you do, because that is what's going to bring people to you. You're going to be in demand. You're going to learn how to be in demand. There are people that need what you have every day, and I'm going to teach you how to become in demand. You're going to learn marketing. You're going to learn what your target market is. Who is your customer? We're going to work on great customer service. And last but not least, we're going to work on filling up your chair. So get the ebook now. Booked and Busy. Click the link below. Yeah, click the link. And if you want a one-on-one class, I'm available. Hit my line, 314-359-5499. Stylist John. I can get you fly, booked, and busy. Get the ebook now. Click the link below. Get the ebook. Yeah, you want to fill up your chair? Get the ebook. I'm going to help you.